Welcome my children. This is your mentor Mrs. Mohania. So let's start with a new chapter, that is formulas and functions. So for today we'll be learning working with formulas, using basic formula, using compound formula. So let's begin with the first topic, that is working with formulas. So formulas are used to perform calculations. Calculations, it can be addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. It is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. Well, we can perform a simple as well as complex calculation. So here, you should always remember that formula must begin always with equal to sign. So let's understand the elements of formulas in Excel. So here you can see a formula in front of you. Equal to sign, as I told you, that formula always starts with equal to sign. Then you have A2 plus, this is an operator. A2 is a cell address. Again B2 cell address. Here again it is an operator, multiplication sign. You have 5 over here, this is constant. This is again a operator, minus sign, sum, and this is parentheses, brackets. You can see the opening bracket and closing bracket. These are the parentheses. E3 and E5 is again a cell address. So here equal to symbol, that is equal to sign. Cell addresses, that is A2, B2, E3, E5. Constant, 5 is a constant. SUM sum, that is a function. Range, as I told you, E3 to E5, that means it will include E3, E4 and E5 range. Next is mathematical operators, plus, minus, multiplication. These are the mathematical operators. So my children, moving further, let's understand what is the elements of Excel. Here this is the first element, references. A cell or a range of cells that you want to include in your calculation, that is references. Next is operators, symbols that are plus, minus, multiplication and so on, that specify the operation to be performed. These are the operators. Next is constants. As we have just seen in the previous example, 5 was the constant. So the numbers or text value that do not change, that are constants. Functions, predefined or built-in formula in Excel. Further, let's understand the next, that is using a basic formula. What is a basic formula? Basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. So only one operator is involved. Either it can be plus or it can be minus or it can be divide. Only one operator is included in basic formula. Fine. So let's see the example of basic formula, how it is. Okay, here this is an example in front of us. You can see the months are given here. Sales are given for every month. So let's find out the total of this sales. So in this column we want the total. In this column, the number, what is the cell address? The cell address is B11. This is B and here is 11. So it is B11. Fine. So let's click in this B11, and as I told you that we have to start a formula with equal to sign. So let's type here equal to first, and now I want to add all this. So what is the cell address of this? This is B and 4. So we'll just click here. If you want to click, see B4 has appeared over here, or you can simply type also. So B4 plus, what is this? B5 plus, next is B6 plus, next is B7, then here B8 and we have B9, and after B9 we'll press enter key from the keyboard. So moment I press enter key from the keyboard, you just see this is appearing here also, formula, and this is appearing here also. This formula we have created. As I told you that formulas are used for calculation. It is not a predefined formula. It is we are creating the formula. So here we have created, and after this I'll press enter key from the keyboard. So moment I press enter key, see the total has come up here, and in this formula bar you can see the exact formula which we have used, and here the total is appearing 26,000. So this is what is the basic formula. We have used a basic formula for this. Moving on to the next topic, that is using compound formula. Now here, compound formula are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. So we have just seen in basic formula we have used only one operator, that was we have used plus sign. But here in this example we are using, see here we are using multiplication sign and we are using a division sign. Two operators are being used. So when you are using more than one operator, as we have just seen here, compound formula are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. Fine. So let's understand this with the help of example how it works out. So my children, let's calculate the compound formula with this example. We have principal 4500, rate is 5 and time is 3. So in this box we want the output, we want the answer here. So let's begin with equal to sign. As I told you, after equal to sign we have to type the address of the cell. So here I'll click on this. Here it has appeared B2 and I'll press multiply key. Next again multiplication key B3 and here next is B4. So here we have used B2 multiplied by B3 multiplied by B4 and then I'll use a division sign and then I'll multiply it with 100. So I'm using two operators. It is multiplication and division. Two operators are being used here. So this is a compound formula. So let's press enter key and see what comes up. Yeah, 675 is the answer. We have got it, and in the formula bar we are having the formula. The compound formula appears here in formula bar, and here in this cell we have got the output. Okay, so this is the result of compound formula. Here's the assignment for you for today. This is your first assignment. Formula are used to perform calculations. A formula always begin with an equal sign. Formulas must begin with question mark, yes or no, false, because it should begin with equal to sign. And range can be used in formula. Yes, that's true. In a formula we can use a range also. Next is what is in formula. Let's explain this as it's given to you. Formulas are used to perform calculations. It is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses, and the formula should always begin with equal to symbol. So my children, do complete your assignment. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you. And if you liked it, do like the channel and subscribe it. Thank you my children. God bless you.